Professor Pandey, my colleagues in the AMDA. First, my apologies. I couldn't come at 10:30 for the inaugural session. I got busy in some work. You're all aware that AMDA is an organization which was formed in 1985 for getting our municipalities and development authorities together so that they could share their experiences and in the process help their weaker partners to get strength from the stronger partners. Unfortunately, for a few years, this organization was, I would call it sleeping, but with the help of my new colleagues who have joined, things have started moving in AMDA. In fact, if you go and see the office of the AMDA, you will find a major difference from what has happened to that building. What was the condition of the building? My request is that let this organization grow further. How will it grow? We do not have membership of most of the authorities and municipalities. Our membership is below 100, whereas there are more than 600 such organizations. I am grateful to all of you for having come here. The organization is trying its best to get out from the slumber and become more active in its job, whichever it was supposed to do. And for that, we need support from all of you. I'm sure you've come from various states. If you go back and tell your principal secretaries to join this organization, we are perhaps going to take a decision today that we will not charge a single penny from anybody for becoming a member of the organization. There's no point in asking for money from most of the organizations who are not in a position to provide even basic things which are required in the cities where they are from. We are going to take a decision today. No money is required. Everybody would be declared as a member of this organization. Recently we had a seminar in Leh, and the attendance there was more than 40. Today also we have about 30 people here. But our experience has been that whenever any such seminar or whatever workshop, whatever you call it, is organized in Delhi, the attendance is not good. And therefore we have decided that we will choose places all over the country and hold seminars on topics which are very, very relevant to most of the municipalities and development authorities. And I would like, we have a feedback form which we have given to you. I would like all of you to suggest topics as well as places where we should hold these seminars. Your suggestions will be very much taken into account, and accordingly we would program ourselves for future. As far as today's topic is concerned, it's a very important topic. disaster management. You must be aware, there is nothing to hide, everybody knows what happened in Uttarakhand when the floods came. It was so difficult to manage it. I think we were not prepared to manage it, but still, with the help of the armed forces, things were managed. You remember Gujarat earthquake? It was also managed, but of course, such things happen, but we are really not prepared. As Mr. Pandey told us, that we have an act. We have a National Disaster Management Act. Am I right? Yeah. Under the act, every state has to prepare certain things, and state level act has to also to be made. Is that true? But I don't think these acts and these. I have also worked in Jharkhand as a Principal Secretary of Disaster Management Department for 21 days. In those 21 days, I realized that nothing had happened with these acts. I would not like to really say that the act is wrong or anything. The act is absolutely correct. There is no harm in following it. But the point which remains with us, if you link the disaster management with our urban planning, then you have to think more than that act. And that has to be city-based planning. That has to be the where you are working in the municipalities, where you are working in the development authorities. That is because these cities, every city is different from another city. So every city has to have a different plan. A plan where, say, if a city has the chances of facing an earthquake, you will have a different plan. Places like in Bihar, we are facing these floods almost every year in some area or the other. You will have to have a different kind of plan. Now, in this sort of a situation, it is very important that we think about it now, and think about it, spend some time how to go about doing it, and I am going to also in the various problems which are facing in the cities, I am going to take you abroad. I have seen what they have done. I am going to take you abroad and show you whether it's water supply, whether it's disaster management, whether it's cleanliness, whether it's Swachh Bharat. I would make plans to take you abroad and show how they are doing it. We have seen it, and it can be done. I have seen cities where you don't even find a chit of paper on the roads, 24 hours. How do they do it? And we find all kinds of dirt on the roads. We'll go and see it. I am grateful to you for having come here, and we'll make efforts to improve and further make this organization active, but your support is required, and I'll be very grateful to all of you. If you go back to your states, talk to your principal secretaries, and tell them that this is an organization which exists in Delhi, and today we'll make every organization as a member of this, and we'll write letters to all of you, and you give your views, ideas, what kind of problems you're facing. We'll try and sort it out. We'll get good municipalities to tell you how to do it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chairman sir. giving some very good advice, and perhaps you might all got happy with the decision that is going to be taken, isn't it? Hitherto we had been asking for membership, etc., and now perhaps something is made clear to you, and this will be not only encouraging, but rather it will bring many of the organizations, those who require our help, and we are ready to provide the help. Secondly, it is not only that we will be providing the help, while you are just giving your good practices, definitely the others will follow that. If one organization is following, why not the other? Beside that, I have my own vision also on this, that the certain universities or the private universities or the institutions, those who are providing the education on that field, they may also be exposed. So it is not open that only those are coming, that is the municipal development authorities are approaching here. Those who are coming from the universities, they please keep on visiting our website and see what the next event is going to occur. There are bulletin, that is newsletter, that will reach many of you. We mentioned that in the forthcoming events, but it is not that all the forthcoming events, there may be another event that will come in between. So we always strive hard to get more events as and when possible, and whatever the duration, and that is a good sign. I have also observed it in the short span of time, that the person assembling outside are more, and to call them in Delhi is a great difficulty. So we will be definitely arranging outside, and from the newsletter that had been provided, just look into what is in the future, that is very much mentioned therein. So at least 2 that you will be finding therein. The others will in the next bulletin going to be published very shortly. So before we will be moving for lunch, please gentlemen, I would like everybody, where from they have come, please start from there, your introduction please.
K.K. Meena, Executive Engineer, South Delhi Municipal Corporation.
Rajanand Semwal, Assistant Engineer E&M, SDMC.
Ashok Kumar Sharma, Assistant Engineer, North Delhi Municipal Corporation.
I'm Dr. Sri Rangan, Director Planning, DDA.
Sajjan Kumar Sharma, Fire Officer, NDMC, New Delhi Municipal Council.
Ajay Mittal, Superintending Engineer, East Delhi Municipal Corporation.
Myself, Ran Singh Arya, Deputy Director, Disaster Management, Delhi Jal Board, sir.
P.D. Meena, Delhi Jal Board.
Engineer H.K. Chawla, Joint Director, SDM, Delhi Jal Board.
I am Selva Durai, Chief Planner, Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority, Chennai.
I am Srishti Vats, studying architecture from DIT University.
Srishti Kapoor, student from DIT University.
Naman Mishra, I'm a student of architecture from Dehradun.
I'm Richa Sharma and I'm Senior Research Associate at National Institute of Urban Affairs.
Good afternoon. My name is Vinod Menon. I'm a founder member of the National Disaster Management Authority. I'm here for the afternoon sessions. Thank you.
My name is Satyavir Singh. I'm from NCR Planning Board.
Good afternoon. I'm Ruchi Gupta, Joint Director, NCR Planning Board.
Good afternoon. I am Nilima Maji, Assistant Director Technical, NCR Planning Board.
Good afternoon. I am Naresh Kumar, Assistant Director Technical, NCR Planning Board.
Good afternoon. Naresh Pawar, Superintending Engineer, Haryana Urban Development Authority.
Hello, Archana Srivastava, Water Resources.
Kirti Lata, Ministry of Water Resources.
Sir, Sanjay Sharma, Account Officer, Ministry of Urban Development.
Sir, Sudhir Kumar, from CPWD.
Abhay Srivastava, Assistant Section Officer from Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs.
Pratik Arora from Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs.
Ramesh Dev, Assistant Director Technical, NCRPB.
Myself, MD Mane, Senior Planner, MMRDA.
I'm Pradeep Yadav, Senior Planner, Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority.
From National Region Capital Transport Corporation, NK Srivastava, Manager Civil.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Kumar Raka, Planning Specialist, Disaster Management from Noida Authority. Sir, I would like to make a submission before you. As an association of municipal and development authorities, why don't AMDA take up the issue of setting up a disaster management cell or department in each and every municipal or ULB bodies? That is necessity, and we all know that Act is silent about it. Although we have formulated the 3-tier plan on NDMA, SDMA and DDMA, but cities are completely lacking about it.
Thank you, all of you. A very good suggestion that is received at the end. And the similar suggestions or the selection, whatever that you want to give, please give in the feedback form. We will definitely go deep into whatever are your suggestions, and definitely next, whatever we will be holding, your suggestions will be kept in mind. Similar suggestion was also received in Leh, and I am working thereon, and very soon we will be giving this in the real form. बहुत जल्दी हम इसको implement करने की कोशिश कर देंगे. This is with that, so I can conclude and thanks, but no, not before thanks. Sir, in the meantime, Mr. Menon Saab is the faculty from NIDM, that is, he is the founder member of the National Institute of Disaster Management Authority, yes, please. So with this, now I can say that we will be breaking for lunch, and after lunch at around 2:15 we will be very much here, and we'll be going for further. That will be the most important for the day. It is the urban planning we have seen in the morning, and how the disasters to be managed, that we will be in the afternoon. Thank you, all of you. Please come for the lunch.